Okay, so one of the most important aspects when it comes to construction is load distribution, which is why today we're trying to test our interns practical work to see if they can sustain a load of about 5 kilograms just using A4 papers. And they're not allowed to double it. They're not allowed to use any other foreign material, just the tape and the paper, and it should be able to carry the load. And that's the beauty of geometry. If you can use a structural, or let me just put it this way, if you can master geometry, it's possible for you to make a structure that is stable, that carries its loads, and also deal with other aspects that could lead to maybe structural failure, the wind, maybe earthquakes, and so on and so forth. So we just want to see what they can do when it comes to that aspect. So what did you end up doing? What have you built?
Okay, I end up like trying to link the pillars using just a leaf.
Okay, I see. Okay, is there any reason why this one is kicking? Like there's an alignment problem here. Because basically, I can tell that when we start putting this stuff, right, it's going to fail here. This is where it will fail. I'm almost sure.
So since my first concept failed, due to lack of time, like I was forced now to join them.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. So I just I joined the E1.
I see. Okay. I think you should be the one to put it. But as careful as you can. Just in case. How many deaths recorded? Nobody was in the house, so God saved them. But now hundreds of millions gone. What do we have here?
Okay, Mr. President, here's a structural frame. It's a framework which comprises of the structural elements such as the beam, such as the pillar and the slab. So these ones are the pillar and these are the slab which transfer the load to the pillar down to the foundation. So you can't see the footing at this point. Why these ones are the walls which are not completed.
So we're going to go in these layers, 1, 2, 3. So you do it yourself. Wow. Okay, that's good. Yes, I'm so proud. Look at this. Your column is like, oh my God. Wait, you said this is the most loaded column? Are you sure?
No, it's not, because it's shared.
It's not. The load is transferring more to the sides or to the center. The load is focused here, right? It's focused here. It's shared here. This one transfers it here. This is almost struggling to fill because its size is smaller significantly, and it's not as straight as these other ones. Yes. So a pillar can carry more burden because of its size, because of its alignment. Yes, like I have less stability standing like this. A little push can throw me off the ground than if I was standing like perfectly straight. But good job. Okay. You have windows.
Yes, sir. So what I have is a house, but this is the second project I'm working on.
What is the first one?
The first one I tried building a bridge, but I didn't consider the weight of the sellotape I used, so it was pulling the paper down, so it wasn't firm enough. So I had to build this.
I see.
So what I used round columns
Okay.
because round columns are stronger.
Round columns are stronger?
Yes, sir, than square columns.
What makes round columns stronger?
Normally, to make a round column, it requires more reinforcement. It's more durable, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So if I had a round column with a diameter of 40 centimeters and a square column of 40 by 40, and I reinforce both the same, the round column is stronger, courtesy of its shape.
Yeah, so the round column would take you can't reinforce both of them in the same way, sir.
I can. Why can't I?
So that would not be economical. But the round column, normally to have a round column, it requires more reinforcement compared to a square column.
Okay, all things being equal.
Yes, sir.
Because of the circumference, you have to travel around about it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but then you cannot. The round column can only have more strength if it receives more reinforcement, more better mixture, and bigger in diameter than the square column. So it cannot be a standard practice that. So what makes it stronger is not its shape, right? But initially you were suggesting that the round columns are stronger than square columns.
Yes, sir.
Now that can tip somebody off that it's maybe the shape that makes it like that. Okay, carry on.
Yes, sir.
Gently. Okay, good job. Let's put the hands together for me.